assistant.
Oh, wow.
That's awesome.
Wow, thanks guys for the suit. I can't wait to show the PJ Masks.
Oh, honey, you're welcome. Enjoy.
Alright, bye.
Guys, I'm super excited for the assistant to come over and show us her Incredibles costume.
Oh man, me too, Amaya. She said it has special powers. It should be so much fun. Guys, I wonder if we should put on our costumes too.
Great idea, Greg. To the changer. Maya,
Connor, and Greg, we're the PJ Masks. The assistant's coming over, is she? Well, she will be in for a surprise.
Oh no, guys! What happened? Why is it so spooky?
I know. I don't feel like myself. What's going on? We're the PJ Monsters. Oh no, guys. The assistant can't see us like this. We'll scare her.
You're right, Catboy. Okay, let's all hide and then maybe we'll have a chance to explain.
That's a great idea, Owlette. But we gotta hurry. She'll be here any minute.
Guys, I'm here. Whoa, it sure is spooky around here. Owlette, Catboy, Gecko, where are you guys? Oh, I get it. They're playing hide and seek.
Oh no! If she sees us like this, we'll scare her for sure. Assistant, we'll come out. We just don't want to scare you.
No, I'll find you guys. Plus, there's no way you can scare me. Okay, Owlette is probably up here somewhere. Owlette!
Oh no, I can't let her find me.
Owlette! I see her. Gotcha!
Hi, assistant.
Ah! You are not my friend Owlette! Oh no! Oh man, that was so creepy. Now I gotta find Gecko.
Oh no, I'm for sure gonna scare her like this. What am I gonna do? Be quiet, Gecko. Quiet.
He's not in here. He's not in here either.
Okay, you can do this, Gecko. Quiet. Don't make a sound.
Oh wait, I see him.
Okay, Gecko, good job. I don't think she saw you.
Gotcha! You're such a good...
Hi, assistant.
Ah!
Hey, get me out of here! Get me out of here! I gotta think of a way to tell the assistant that we're the PJ Monsters without scaring her. Oh no, I think she's coming.
Maybe if I find Catboy, he could help me find the real Owlette and Gecko. Catboy! He's not in here. Oh man, he's not over here either.
Assistant?
Oh no, Catboy, don't give yourself away.
It's not that, assistant. It's just, I have something to tell you. It's just that Romeo...
Ah!
Oh, no, wait, assistant. It's me, Catboy.
What?
We think Romeo zapped our machine and changed us all into the PJ Monsters. You gotta help change us back.
Oh no, guys, I'm so sorry. Let me change you back. Okay, stand still.
Thanks so much, assistant.
Yeah, floating around in that bubble was not fun. Assistant, we're pretty sure Romeo zapped our machine. Do you think you could zap it and fix it?
Let me see what I can do. Okay, guys, hop in.
Owlette, Catboy, and Gecko. We're the PJ Monsters. We're back!
Woohoo!
back to our channel. We have something so fun for you today. Games! And we have somebody special here to help us. It's the assistant. We're going to be playing so many fun games, and she's going to be here the whole time. Let's go! Let's start off with a classic puzzle game. Here are all the pieces. You have to match the correct numbered piece over the correct letter. For example, where would number 1 go? You have to let me know in the amount of time. Are you guys ready to get started? Let's start. Where does number 1 go? I'll give you some time. Time's up. Where does piece number 1 go? Did you say piece number 1 went on top of letter F? If so, great job! Let's look at piece number 2. Where does piece number 2 go? Time's up. Did you say piece number 2 goes on top of the letter A? If so, that's awesome! Now, let's look at piece number 3. Where does piece number 3 go? If you said piece number 3 goes on top of the letter C, wow, you guys are doing a great job! Alright, what about piece number 4? Where does it go? Time's up! Did you say piece number 4 goes on top of the letter D? If so, wow, you guys are awesome! Alright, let's look at piece number 5. Where does piece number 5 go? Did you say that piece number 5 goes over the letter E? Whoa, you guys are awesome! The last one is a little bit easier. I'll just give you a couple seconds. Time's up! Did you say piece number 6 goes over the letter B? Woohoo! You guys did awesome! Let's play another fun game with the assistant. Wow, people at home, I cannot wait to play this game. In this game, you have to find the differences between the 2 pictures. There are 5 differences from the picture on the left to the picture on the right. Can you tell me what those 5 differences are? I'll give you some time. This isn't easy, but you can do it. Take a look at the whole picture. You have a little more time. I will reveal the changes one by one. All right, time's up. Are you guys ready? All right, did you guess that I changed the color of Nemo's eyes? Woohoo! If so, great job. We also changed the color of the bottom of the assistant's dress. Whoa, that one wasn't easy. We also took the spot off of Dory. And look here, we removed the bubbles. Whoa, that one wasn't easy. And finally, we changed the color on the assistant's dress. Woohoo! If you got all 5, you did a perfect job. Take a look at the picture again. Wow, you guys did awesome. I hope you got all 5 changes. Let's play another game together. In the very final game of the day, we have to find which one of these assistants is hiding behind these squares. I will remove the squares one by one, and you have to let me know which assistant is hiding behind them. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's get rid of these squares. Can you guess which assistant is hiding behind there? Woohoo! Have you guessed yet? Final square. Good job! Did you say it was this assistant with the Supergirl shirt on?
Wow, that was so much fun! And to see more fun videos, subscribe here. Give us a thumbs up,
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there you can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!